In this video, I am telling about the EAMCET weightage 2021, and I wrote this weightage after looking the 2020 EAMCET papers and took the analysis. Now first let us see the Maths 1A EAMCET weightage. Now this is the chapter wise analysis, the chapter names and the number of questions from those chapters. And here from the matrices some topics are deleted, and trigonometric equations, inverse trigonometric functions are also deleted in IP, but the government didn't tell that the topics related in AP will be deleted in the EAMCET also. So there is a chance that it will also be a topic in EAMCET. Now this is Maths 1B weightage, and here also some topics are deleted from IP. If suppose that same topics are deleted from EAMCET also, then the questions comes from the existed topics, that is the number of questions are added to these topics, to the existed topics. Now this is Maths 2A weightage, the chapters names and the number of questions from those chapters. And I took this analysis from the 2020 EAMCET papers, and this analysis is very helpful to you for the practice. And this is Maths 2B EAMCET weightage, the chapters and the number of questions from those chapters. And I hope all of you follow this weightage and prepare well. Now these are the topics with minimum of 4 or 5 sums. The topics are circles, integration, definite integration, straight lines, pair of straight lines, differentiation and applications of derivatives. Now these are the very important topics, and minimum of 4 or 5 sums comes from these topics in the EAMCET examination. Now the topics with 2 or 3 questions, the topics are probability, permutations and combinations, matrices, binomial theorem, properties of triangles, product of vectors, addition of vectors, functions and trigonometric ratios, and limits and continuity. Now the topics with 1 or 2 sums, complex numbers, De Moivre's theorem, quadratic expressions, theory of equations, locus, transformation of axes, D's and D's, mathematical induction, partial fraction, system of circles, conic section. Conic section means hyperbola, ellipse, parabola, plane, trigonometric equations, inverse trigonometric functions, hyperbolic functions.